basis of education. Everybody agree here कि education is the greatest weapon, greatest tool in our life which can change our entire life, entire personality, कि how you can change your life, because education, this is the power which make you powerful, which give you confidence to face any kind of challenges in this universe, in this world. If you are educated honestly, if you are educated, so you can face, you can achieve, you can gain, you can acquire, you can qualify, you can get, you can fulfill all kind of wishes, ambition, dream, whatever you have in your heart, you can do. If you are motivated, if you are charged, if you are excited, enthusiastic, interested, now you can perform, you can perform. So to perform here, to say here, to put your delivery, exactly you have to use your entire force of your body, entire skill, entire idea of your body, your standing position, as well as whatever you have experience, you try to share here. Have confidence yourself. Here need unlimited, much more confidence to put here, to say here, to shower yourself. If you are confident people, if you are confident person, now you can perform well confidently, frankly, any topic. So this idea you have to learn how you can overcome whatever fear of the public speaking, hesitation, problem, pressure, and also heartbeat. Your heart is also beating fastly when you come here. So such kind of problem exactly happen when I come here. Then this is the great question, how we can solve, how we can overcome. Exactly when you are not excited, when you are not readily, so this is quite tough to come here, to perform here. First number, you have to make your mentality, you have to manage, you have to maintain your mentality, your mind. Actually you have to set your mind, today I gonna for lecture, today I gonna for share, today I gonna put my delivery after selecting any particular topic which can impress people who are sitting before you, who are listening your speech. So if you are not putting, if you are not setting, mindset is also very important to come here. So I think that you generally, commonly, you are not, your mind is not set what topic actually I can speak, how can I say, how can I put. That's why sometimes you are fail, you are not putting your delivery proper way. So we try to search the way of public speaking, how can I attract people, how can I put completely my delivery here. Many times I select the topic, but when I start saying the words, sentences, point are not coming a proper way. This kind of problems actually to face in our, that's why we are not excited. So do you think this is the very challenging and daring, so much tough job for us to come here, to perform here? But you should know that there is no any kind of solution to speak. If you are coming here daily, on the basis of daily regular practice, you can improve, you can have 100% command on English language. How you can, important question, ladies and gentlemen, you can say that everybody, they are actually want to be educated properly, completely, entirely, totally. Most of the people just after burning 3 years start babies, they start going to school. A long period we have to cover during 10 years, 15 years, we have to study. But if you have not any kind of well feedback, if you have not any kind of result after studying, after working hard continuously 15 years, 20 years, 25 years, just we have been learning, you have been studying last 10 years, 7 years, 12 years. But if you have not any kind of result, then what is mean of gaining, what is mean of going to the school, what is mean of learning, what is mean of actually achieving the education knowledge. This is the great question, how we can become success on the basis of education. Everybody agree here education is the greatest weapon, greatest tool in our life which can change our entire life, entire personality, how you can change your life. Because education, this is the power which make you powerful, which give you confidence to face any kind of challenges in this universe, in this world. If you are educated honestly, if you are educated, so you can face, you can achieve, you can gain, you can acquire, you can qualify, you can get, you can fulfill all kind of wishes, ambition, dream, whatever you have in your heart, you can do easily, because lots of people actually they are doing, they are. But many times in our country, the very big problem is that after completing our education, we have not any kind of job, any kind of. So it might be that we have mistake. Yeah, it might be that whatever we are going for getting job on the basis of education, there is mistake. So first number, you can say that education is not lunch only purpose of the getting the job, getting the education. This is the things, this is the point, this is the tool, this is the tool, this is the smart tool actually which nurture you properly to do, to live in this universe, in this. So how to meet, how to talk, how to behave, how to interact, actually how to deal, how to start, how to meet, how to do any activity in this universe. This kind of knowledge actually we are getting by the education. Education help us, teach us, guide us each and every field, where we are living, where we are going, whatever we are doing, but my question is that many people actually they are not getting jobs. So try to learn education, honestly. If you are honest people, honest student, so you can learn. Many people they are passing the time, they are killing the time when they are sitting in the class, so you need a very IQ mind, very intelligent mind when you are sitting in the classes. Each and every small things, small chapter, small content you will have to learn. Without learning, without understanding, without observing, you cannot have full command, you cannot understand properly what is this, what is that, where we can use this chapter in our practical life. Then how you can develop, how you can learn.
You know, friends, in this time, everybody want to need achieve the more and more education. Why? Reason? Because everything is dependent on education. Our parents, they are not much educated, but they try to know, they try to see my children have any post, my son, daughter have any post, they are educated, they have knowledge of English, any other things. And you know why? Reason? Because they know what is value, they know very well what is value of education in their life. When he want to study, then because of home problem they can't study, our parents they can't study, but they try to manage from any cost, they try to manage, they are doing hard work or any other things, they send us in this coaching school or anywhere for study. But you know what we are doing? We come and we go, we didn't focus, we didn't study carefully. Reason is that because you know what sir said, always sir saying, always try to speak in English language in the class, but I saw more and more people, more and more students, they are always talking in Bhojpuri language, Hindi language, abusing to the us, and they are always talking, they are always discussing the unnecessary matter, not that are necessary. Like that, if you enter in this coaching, then think I have to speak only English, not that any other thing. Now I'm sure you can speak English language, because you know when we are going to do debate and just we are speaking the very small word in Hindi language. What reason? Because always we are speaking Hindi language, always the small word we are always speaking in Hindi language. That's why just when we are going to try to speak English, just in our mouth always Hindi is coming, because only we are practice here. I think only 50% they are 50% student they are practice at home, but 50% not. Why is that? Because someone have problem and someone have homework, and also someone is studying in school colleges. That's why they can't study, they can't practice. But you didn't get a time, but you come here for 1 hour, then you have to try to speak in only 1 hour you try to speak, you try to learn, achieve. How you have to think how much I can achieve in 1 hour. Like that, one day you achieve the some, after that you try to achieve the double of that day. Like you achieve the something of the May, what is use of May, and second day you have to try to you think what is the use of could, and what is use of can, what is use of would, any other things. We have to try to study, not that only one use we study one day and second also one day one use. But if we try to learn two or three, then we can try, because in this time whatever we want to learn we can achieve too much, because there is not any side effect. But when after that, when your age cross, then you think you will think I have to study, I will have to study, because of not study I am not getting any job. And when is my studying time, I was going and coming, I was making fun, and daily I didn't attend the class. Like that, the thoughts will coming in your mind after when your age cross. Like also there are many parents, there are many in this time who is across their age, they are also thinking, if I were studies, then I can achieve more and more things, and in this time I have any post. This is value of education. And everybody in this time, everybody want to achieve the education, because every job, in this period time, people only think the education means is job. Education means is job. If you are going to learn anything, then you have to get a job. But I think this is not only reality. If you have a education, then you have to need only job, or a government job, private job. But if you have education, then always I am saying education is not unuseless, because if you have education, you can do anywhere. Like that Hafiz sir, we have example. He has education now. After that, he is teaching us, and many people are earning more and more money to teach the Hafiz sir. You know why? Because he has knowledge, and if we have also knowledge, then we can also achieve. We can also teach. We can easily. I am sure easily we can get anywhere.